All right, good night or good day, everybody. And today we're looking at set builder's notation. We said we're going to go over the rules of set builder's notation, which means that I'm going to need to share my screen with you. Okay, so let's look at the rules. So set builder's notation, we said that there are, of course, 4 inequalities, which are less than and equal to, more than, and more than and equal to. And so we're going to look at each one and their characteristics and descriptions when these are placed in their different forms. So let's begin with the number line. In the number line, on all 4 pictures, what you will see is the most important to place on the number line are the 0 and the number in question. The number in question means the number which the inequality or the range of the set builder notation is talking about. So if it says x is less than or more than 5, that means that the number in question is 5, which is that little symbol there that will represent whatever number is in the range. So let's look at the first picture here. It says, when you have a less than sign, you'll have the number line, you'll have the 0, you have the number in question. On top of the number in question, you're going to have an empty circle, and the arrow will always be going to the left. When you have a less than and equal to, you will still also have the number line, you'll have the 0, you'll have the number in question, just that the circle on top of the number in question is going to be a shaded circle with the arrow still going to the left. When we have a more than, we will again have the 0 on the number line and the number in question. On top of the number in question, you will have an empty circle, but since it is more than, meaning bigger, the arrow instead is going to the right, not the left. And lastly, for the number line, when you have more than and equal to, again, you have the line, you have the 0, and you have the number in question. On top of the number in question, you're going to have a shaded circle and the arrow going to the right. Let's look at the description, and after the description, then you can ask your questions. So just what I said orally or verbally is what it has here. Place the empty circle on top of the number, meaning the number in the range, and place the arrow going to the left. That's for less than. For less than and equal to, it says, place the shaded circle or solid circle, shaded circle, on top of the number in the range and place the arrow going to the left. For more than, it says place the empty circle on top of the number, which means the number in the range, and place the arrow going to the right. And lastly, more than and equal to says place the shaded circle on the top of the number of the range, of course, and place the arrow going to the right.